Marketing that costs nothing is easier than you think. And I should know because I've started, grown and exited multiple businesses, generating tens of millions along the way. So here are free marketing strategies that will grow your business and fast. If you think you need thousands to spend on marketing strategies to grow your business, you're absolutely wrong. And I'm going to show you the marketing strategies you can use to grow your business that cost absolutely nothing. I've seen businesses grow from 0 to 6 figures using nothing but these free marketing strategies, whilst competitors are burning through cash on Facebook ads that just don't convert. So if you're bootstrapping your business startup, or you've simply had enough of throwing money at marketing strategies that just don't work, take these marketing ideas and run with them. After all, they're going to cost you nothing because they're free. Free marketing strategy number 1 to grow your business is, of course, content marketing. But I'm going to tell you how to do it the way that gets results. Most people get content marketing all wrong. They think it's just about going viral, which is absolutely rubbish. Content marketing is about slow, consistent growth, and you want to be solving specific problems for your ideal customers. I don't mean random blog posts that no one reads. I'm talking about targeted content marketing that shows up exactly when your customers are looking for solutions. To put together your content marketing strategy, first ask yourself, what are the 3 most common questions your customers ask before they buy from you? Create content around each of these questions. Could it be a blog post, a video, a social media carousel? Doesn't matter. What matters is that you're answering real questions that real people ask, and you're doing that consistently. Your competitors probably have it all wrong because they're going to be creating content about their products and themselves. That's ineffective. Smart businesses that want to grow create content about their customers' problems. When someone searches how to fix a leaky tap and your plumbing business has the best answer, guess who they're going to call? The key is consistency, however frequent you can manage, but consistent. Even one piece of content per week, every week, for 6 months is 26 pieces of content that will work for you 24/7. Most businesses give up after 3 weeks because they don't see any immediate results. I can tell you from personal experience, it can take dozens, if not hundreds of posts to start getting and seeing that growth. So get going, but stay consistent. My challenge to you right now is to set out a 1-month content plan that you can stick to. Next free marketing strategy to grow your business is networking events. Most people hate them, and I get it, but here is a networking strategy that costs nothing and actually works as one of the best marketing strategies out there. Instead of going to generic business networking events when everyone's trying to sell to each other, target events where your ideal customers hang out. No business events, customer events. That's where you want to be. If you sell to restaurant owners, don't go to business networking, go to food industry conferences, culinary events, or even local food festivals where restaurant owners are actually enjoying themselves. If you help fitness coaches, don't network with other service providers, other business coaches. Go where fitness coaches learn and socialize. When at the event, don't pitch, instead become genuinely helpful. Ask questions, listen to their challenges, and offer free advice. When someone mentions a problem you can solve, your response isn't, "I can help you with that." It's, "Oh, that's interesting. I've seen that challenge before. What have you tried so far?" You're asking questions. This approach does 2 things. First, it positions you as an expert rather than as a salesperson. And secondly, it gives you valuable research about what your customers actually struggle with. And that's gold for your business. The follow-up is crucial also. Connect within 24 hours and reference something specific from your conversation. And offer one small piece of value, not a sales pitch. Offer value. Networking events can be one of the best free marketing strategies out there. So right now, go and find 5 events that you can attend in the next quarter and get the dates in the diary. Next free marketing strategy to grow your business is great because you can basically borrow someone else's audience without paying for it. This free marketing strategy is partnership marketing, and it's going to cost you nothing. The key is to look for businesses that serve the same customers as you but offer complementary services. So if you're a web designer, partner with copywriters, photographers or marketing consultancies. If you run a cleaning service, then maybe connect with estate agents or property managers or interior designers. You get the idea. complementary services, not competing. As a free marketing strategy, most people approach partnership marketing all wrong. They say, hey, let's refer clients to each other. That's not strategic, that's just hoping for the best. You should certainly do that, but also create joint bundles or add-on value together. Offer combined packages where both businesses win. The web designer and copywriter create maybe a complete website package. The cleaner and the estate agent offer a move-in ready service. You're not just referring, you're creating new revenue streams. Partnership marketing works when you can offer your partner's customers something valuable before they even become your customers. So host joint workshops, create collaborative content, or offer free consultations to each other's audiences. Partnerships as a free marketing strategy work because trust transfers. When established businesses introduce you to their customers, you inherit their credibility instantly. That's worth so much more than any paid advertising because people buy from people and people buy from businesses they trust. So right now, make a list of your 10 possible partners you could reach out to and start the outreach right now. The next free marketing strategy to grow your business is optimizing your Google My Business profile, but also search engine optimization more generally. And contrary to popular belief, SEO is still alive and kicking. And as a business, if you ignore it, you do so at your peril. Despite the onset of AI eroding traditional search results, search engine optimization is still one of the most effective long-term marketing strategies when marketing without a budget. There is tons of info online about optimizing your content and your website for search, so I won't cover that here, but I will mention one thing, which is optimizing your Google My Business profile. If you aren't paying attention to your Google My Business profile, or worse still, you don't have one at all, then you're leaving money on the table. This is especially true for local businesses, but it works for online businesses too. Most business owners set up their profile and forget about it. That's a massive mistake because Google My Business is essentially free prime real estate in search results. It's a free marketing strategy. Take advantage of this completely free marketing strategy by first completing every single section of your profile. I mean everything: business hours, services, photos, description, attributes. Google rewards complete profiles with better visibility. But also, and this is what most people don't do, make regular posts and updates. Google My Business lets you post updates, offers, events, and news directly onto your profile. These posts will show up in search results and can include call to action buttons, so they're really valuable. Post at least once a week with valuable content. Share industry tips, behind the scenes content, customer success stories, or local community involvement. Each post is an opportunity to show up in those local search results. The photo section is massively underutilized. Upload high quality photos of your products, your services, your team, your workplace. Businesses with photos get significantly more clicks and calls than those without. Reviews are obviously crucial also, but here's what most people don't know. Responding to reviews, especially negative ones, professionally actually improves your ranking. Google sees this as positive engagement and a positive signal. So get onto your Google My Business profile now and get optimizing. Don't miss out on this easy free marketing strategy. Next free marketing strategy to grow your business is community marketing. And I don't mean turning up to your local coffee morning, although of course you can do that. What I mean is smart marketing through social and online communities. Join Facebook groups, LinkedIn communities, and online forums like Reddit where your ideal customers spend time. And this is crucial, don't be that person who just joins to spam and sell their services. Become the most helpful person in the group. Answer questions thoroughly, share valuable resources, and build relationships. If you want to maximize the results from this marketing strategy, you need to be helpful. When people consistently see you providing value and help, they will see you as an authority on your subject matter and they'll want to buy from you. The key is the 90-10 rule. 90% of your interactions should be purely helpful with no agenda, and 10% can be subtly promotional. And by promotional, I don't mean buy my stuff. I mean sharing relevant case studies, insights from your work, or useful resources that you've created. The communities you choose will depend on your business. LinkedIn particularly suits, say, B2B businesses. Facebook is great for hobbies. Discord perhaps for tech, or Reddit for more general stuff. The one you choose will be down to you and your business. Comment thoughtfully on posts from your ideal customers and answer questions, not generic comments like great post, but actual insights that add value to the conversation. This approach builds trust and it builds your personal brand and business simultaneously. People start recognizing your name, associating you with your expertise, and when they need your services, you're the obvious choice. So go and search now and find which communities you could join and start helping potential customers right now. Next free marketing strategy is perhaps the most underrated these days, and it's one of the most effective free strategies around. It's email marketing and has one of the highest return on investments of any marketing channel, and it costs virtually nothing to get started. Now, if you've implemented all of my other free marketing strategy suggestions like content marketing, network events, and communities, then you should have built a decent sized email list. And when you have, time to look after it. Stop trying to sell in every email. Instead, use the 80-20 or 80% value, 20% promotion. Your emails should be so valuable that people actually look forward to receiving them and open them every time. Start with a simple weekly email sharing industry insights, tips, or behind the scenes content from your business. Make it conversational, like you're writing to a friend. People can smell that corporate email template from a mile off. The key to growing your list without paid ads is lead magnets that solve specific problems, not generic industry reports that nobody wants. Create something immediately useful, like a checklist, a template, a course, or some kind of resource that provides instant value. Gate this content behind an email sign-up form and make sure it's genuinely worth giving your email address for. I see too many businesses offering weak lead magnets and then wondering why their email list isn't growing, so make it valuable. Then segment your list based on interests or where people are in their customer journey. Someone who's downloaded your beginner's guide needs different content to someone who's been following you for 6 months. You can use free tools like MailChimp to segment and manage your list. Make sure you set up auto follow-up sequences that message your customers every few days or every few weeks or whatever it is you decide. Email marketing is one of the best free marketing strategies around, so ignore it at your peril. Your customers are your best free marketing strategy to grow your business, but most businesses never ask for referrals properly. They either don't ask at all or they ask in a way that makes customers uncomfortable. Here's how to do it properly in a way that feels really natural. Above all, make it about helping others, not about getting more business for yourself. So instead of asking, can you refer me to other people? Ask instead, do you know anyone else who might benefit from this kind of help? It's a subtle difference, but it reframes the referral as a favor to their network and not to you. Timing is everything. The best time to ask for referrals is immediately after delivering exceptional value, right after a successful project completion or a service delivery, a great result, or when a customer expresses gratitude to you. There are tons of automated review and referral systems online, but sometimes it's just the simplest that works. Just ask your customers for a referral. Create a simple referral process. You can incentivize, for example, refer someone and you get a credit or a free gift, but if you've delivered great service, I find that people don't usually need any incentive because they're going to help the other person by recommending you and they want to reward you for good service. The great thing about customer referrals is they are doing your sales for you. They are recommending you. Don't let this effective free marketing strategy go to waste. Get designing your referral system straight away because it's one of the most valuable things you can do to grow your business. You can grow an entire business with just these free marketing strategies. There are huge billion-dollar companies that grew this way, so don't feel the need to spend when getting started, or if cash is tight. Start slowly, take one free marketing strategy and build one at a time. Consistency beats intensity every single time. The other mistake people make is expecting immediate results. Free marketing strategies work, but they're rarely instant, although referral can be pretty quick. Paid advertising can give you results this week, but free marketing builds sustainable growth over months. Set proper expectations. Month 1 is setup and learning. Month 2 is refinement and consistency. Month 3 is when you start seeing real results. But most businesses give up in month 1 because they don't see the results they want. Had they waited until month 3, they'd have been laughing. Track your efforts properly. Free doesn't mean unmeasurable. Know which strategies are generating leads, customers, and revenue. Double down on what works and eliminate what doesn't. Look, marketing without a budget isn't about being cheap, it's about being smart. So these free marketing strategies work because they focus on building real relationships and providing genuine value with your clients. That's sustainable marketing that grows with your business. The businesses that master these free marketing strategies before they scale with paid ads are often the ones that build lasting success. They understand their customers deeply, they've perfected their messaging, and they've built a foundation that won't crumble when the advertising costs inevitably increase. Start with one strategy today, not tomorrow, not next week, today. Pick the one that resonates most with your business model and your strengths, then commit to it for the next 90 days. If you want more business ideas and marketing strategies, join my weekly business ideas and insights list. You can register using the link in the bio. And if you're serious about starting a business with zero cash, grab a copy of my book, Zero Cash Startup, which has loads of free startup and marketing ideas. The link is in the description. If you've got value from this video, please hit like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Until the next time, bye for now.